Chapter 4. From huts to high rises. Climate. Building material. Budget. Consider before construction. Houses in hilly areas have a fireplace and a sloping roof, whereas houses in desert areas have thick walls and a flat roof. Most homes in rainy regions are made of wood and bamboo and are constructed on stilts. Why, in your opinion, are these houses so different from each other? There are three main factors which determine the type of house we build. Climate of the place. Materials to be used. Budget available. Climate. Homes with flat roofs and thick walls are common in hot climates. The interior of the house is kept cool by thick walls. Flat roofs can be used by people for sleeping outdoors. Homes are frequently constructed on stilts in locations where it frequently rains and the climate is hot and humid. These houses are built a few feet above the ground on raised platforms and remain safe from floods. The sloping roofs of houses on hills do not allow rainwater or snow to collect and make the houses damp and cold. The majority of homes in places with cold climates have fireplaces to heat up the interior. House with a flat roof. House on stilts. House with a sloping roof. Building material. In hot weather, bricks and stones keep a house cool. In hilly areas, houses need to be constructed quickly and easily. Houses in this region are thus constructed of bamboo and wood. Most homes are made of wood in those regions where earthquakes occur frequently. There is less damage if they collapse. Kucha homes, also known as huts, are constructed from mud, bamboo and palm leaves. These building materials are affordable and easily available. Other typical building materials include thatch, concrete, glass and iron. Budget. The third factor that affects a house's size and design is the amount of money that is available or the budget. Less money is needed to build a small hut. A permanent home, however, costs lakhs of rupees to construct. In large cities with a lack of available land, high-rise structures are constructed. To save money and space, they occasionally create cooperative housing societies. Consider before construction. Before, during and after building a house, there are a few things to keep in mind. Prior to construction, an architect creates a plan for the home based on the available space and the requirements of the residents. The budget allocated for construction also affects the plan. When building a house, it is important to keep these things in mind. Sunlight is abundant in a house that faces the sun. Windows and doors must face the direction of fresh air and sunlight such that it can enter every room. They must have wire netting so that flies and mosquitoes do not get in. The walls of the house need to be sturdy, damp-proof and properly plastered. The floor of the house needs to be leveled and made smooth. It needs a good drainage system. Drains and outlets with covers keep germs and foul smells at bay. Once the construction is finished, the area must be properly maintained. The house and area surrounding the house must always be kept clean. The floors must be swept and mopped every day. The walls, windows, doors and other parts of the house must be dusted frequently. Periodically, they might need to be painted. Regular cleaning and disinfection of the toilets, bathrooms and kitchen is important. Synopsis. The climate of a place, the material available and the budget determine the type of house to be built. Materials like brick, stone, concrete, wood, iron, steel, glass, bamboo, grass, leaves and mud are used to build a house. Prior to construction, An architect creates a plan for the house based on the available space and the requirements of the residents. The budget allocated for construction also affects the plan. Once the construction is finished, the house must be properly maintained.